Y'all, Big Lots got a lot of stuff going on in here. This is what I'm getting. Yes. 3 of them for $34 with 20% off. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Sonia. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna like show you guys things that I put on a shelf, the stained shelf, some things from Big Lots that I scored, and I'm gonna throw in a clip of being in Big Lots and getting the scores, and where I placed everything far as my little thrifted haul, decor haul that y'all call little, which is okay because y'all already know she doesn't like a whole house full of stuff because it doesn't go. I want to be comfortable in my home, y'all. This is new here. It's not the same as the other home, so the floor of the house is different, and I have to get it just to where I want it so I can adjust to it and so that my being can adjust to it. And I think as time goes by, you guys are going to see what I really mean by that. So we're going to just go ahead and get into it. I don't want this video to be that long today. And yeah, y'all, I've been selling a lot of things on OfferUp. And so I'm recouping my coins to buy other things and then still being able to save. So that is a win-win, okay? So yeah, y'all, this is OOTD of the day. If y'all can see, nothing really major, just y'all already know, like my little workout clothes and a little top underneath, and my little off the shoulder thing. So yeah, okay, so we are going to just get into the video, okay? So I'm going to walk you guys around and show you where I put all the little thrifted items, okay? So let's go in here. And the first thing I'm going to show you guys, well, first of all, this is new, thrifted new. Did a good deal on that. This is where I put this set right here. That looks really, really nice right there. I absolutely love that. I bought this flower here for the gold rim. Here is our candle holder right here. This is where I placed all my wooding items here, right here. All of them are like right there. And let's see. Oh, guys, I did changed everything here. I sold the baskets because I wanted all same baskets. I sprayed this, stained the wood as well. I took all those other, let's go down a little bit. I took all that stuff that was right here, guys. It was just too much. I just know that I just need one big statement piece here to make this all go well, flow with me. And then up here, I've just added more flowers. Like I said, I lessened one of the basket. This is another hyacinth water basket. I do like this, but I probably will be moving it somewhere in the bathroom. And then I put that rug from the bathroom in here, hung a curtain, 100% cotton curtain here, which I love. And these are the items that I got from Big Lots. And I can't wait to show you where I'm going to place them. This was originally 34 with 20% off. It was 24. This mirror here with the rope, you guys are going to see where I put that in the hallway. And let's see. Oh, I hung 100% curtains, 100% cotton curtains here. And what else? Oh, I also wanted to show you guys. Do y'all know that Dollar Tree sells these and they fit inside of your they fit inside these here? If you guys see at the top there where it says Fit to Airwick, this is Autumn Woods. I can't wait to use this one. I cannot wait to use this one. So let's go and show you the shelf and what the shelf looks like, okay? You guys, this is me here, but I can't wait to show you the bedroom, the new bedroom space, once I get everything complete. But let's just get into the shelving unit, okay? All right, guys, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? So this is what I've done so far with her. Guys, this is the color that I chose, the espresso. I think it looks absolutely, absolutely amazing. And I just added this basket here, guys, is going to be going. I did add another shelf. I think I told y'all that I was going to do so. I do like this basket, but I would really like a taller black basket that's water hyacinth too. This is water hyacinth too, but I think I'm going to end up probably selling this, get me a taller one or whatever. But guys, this is how she came out. And like I said, I just added little things. My hope, love, and faith sign that's in the other room I placed here. One of my photos here I placed. I didn't want too much mirror because I did get rid of and sell all my mirrored products, y'all. I did. Yes, I did. So my girlfriend, that this is a housewarming gift. And then this, guys, I spray painted black. And I still have to go get more spray paint to finish this. And I'm going to throw the LED candle in here. And it really looks beautiful, guys. I just put a family portrait here. And these don't stay here, but it's just because I came in the door, placed those here. So this is what that looks like. And I really live here, you guys. So that is why these jackets are here, because it's cold, y'all. It's cold already. So loving the fact that I replaced that, because this is this is the look that I was going for, because it just looks so comfortable, y'all. Oh my God. And the mirror that you seen from Biglots will be going somewhere over here. Sorry for the lighting again. But yeah, guys, that's how that turned out. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous, y'all? Look at that. I am so super excited. So I'll bring you guys back again so you can see once I spray paint that and put that LED in there, get another basket, how that looks. And I did get another rug that was in here, then I end up placing it outside. Oh, y'all, sorry. Oh, my Lord. Okay. But if you can see, that is the rug right here that was in here. So, and then I hung the home sign right here, you guys. So yeah, guys, that is part of the back and how that looks now. And let me just show y'all really quick this closets, because she is almost empty. Can y'all see that? Somebody's coming to get like a comforter, that mirrored thing there, a picture, and the rest of the remaining things is gonna just get took into the thrift store. So yeah, guys, once all that stuff is took into the thrift store, then I will be doing my fall decor. Y'all already know that's not really nothing. She only has like a bouquet of flowers for the thrift decor. And I think I have my all my I think I have like three pumpkins that I will be placing out. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I just wanted to give y'all an update on how the house is progressing, how things is flowing in here, and just all the different transformations that I'm going to be making to my space to make it my own so I can thrive. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love yourself that you'll love others, so this world be a much better place. Bye. Sending you love.